Hi everyone, it's me, Van. Can you spot what's missing on my face? You guessed right, it's brows. So you can see how weird we look without brows. I mean, it's so obvious. No matter how bold, thick, and dark you think your brows are, once you're wearing a beat face, you need to do your eyebrows. So today I'm doing my updated eyebrow routine. This has been probably my most requested video of all time. Everyone always asks me how I do my brows. So today I'm going to show you guys my updated brow routine. So if you'd like to see how I achieve, well, not these brows, but brows, just please keep on watching. Please ignore all the noise in the background. There's construction going on. Of course, the day I choose to film, there will be construction going on, of course. So for brows, recently I've been using an eyebrow pencil. It's by Princessa. It's an eyeliner pencil. It's a kohl eyeliner pencil. And to be honest, I don't think you need any big expensive products for brows. I already have pretty thick eyebrows already, so I don't do too much to it because I usually use my Wet n Wild brow powder, which I will be using as well. But I use a pencil now to fill it in. The main product you need for the best flawless eyebrows is an angle brush. This one here is by Morphe. I'm not sure what's the name of it because it's rubbed off, but it had a spoolie on the end but it fell off, so I use a spoolie from another brush, but this brush is a little too thick. But this one from Morphe is thin enough to do my brows perfectly. So I use these two brushes, a brow powder from Wet n Wild, and an eyeliner. So it's like 4 products. Well, it could be 3 if I had a spoolie on this brush. So first things first, you want to brush your brows up. Once you've done that, I'm taking my brow pencil and I'm just gonna kind of brush through the brow, not being very neat with it. I mean, we're all gonna clean this up and stuff after. So I'm not sure if you noticed, but I only apply the pencil on the tail end of my brows because I want there to be the darkest. I don't want my brows to be super blocky in front, so I just apply the pencil right on the ends of my eyebrows. And because this pencil is super soft and kind of waxy, I don't even need the powder right now. I can just brush through with my brush and disperse the product even more. These are like brows on a budget because as you can see, that eyebrow pencil, which was extremely cheap, it was like $7 TT, it acted as like a brow pomade, so I could have just dispersed the product through my brows. I probably don't even need my powder, to be honest. And one tip for brows, you don't need to be super neat with it off the bat because we are going to be cleaning up the top and bottom of our brows with concealer. So I'm taking my spoolie and I'm just brushing through these eyebrows just to disperse the product a little better, so it's not looking too blocky. Now I'm taking the brow powder. I'm just gonna fill in little parts where I feel like the pencil didn't do a good enough job. So like on the ends right here. And the pencil is really great because it gives the powder something to stick to. So I love that about the pencil as well, using it before. Okay, these brows probably look so crazy right now, but trust me, you need to trust the process. So this is what will transform your brows the most. I'm using my Maybelline 24-hour foundation in the shade Warm Sun. So I'm placing some of this on the back of my hand, not a full pump, but like a small amount. And we are using this to clean up our eyebrows. So for this step, you want to use a shade not too light, but about 3 to 4 shades lighter than your complexion. It could be like your highlight shade. And I just drag it down, and then we do the top. I didn't set on top of my forehead with powder, so this is fine. You kind of want to get in one swoosh motion as well, if that makes any sense to you. Then we just kind of blend it a bit. So you can see how much sharper and cleaner it made the brow. It's like concealer is like a magic eraser. I cannot do my eyebrows without concealer. It just looks so much better. Forgot to mention the brush I'm using for this step is from Wet n Wild. I got this brush literally in the dollar store in the States in Dollar Tree. So this brush is $1. And sometimes you can mess up, like what I did with this brow. I went in a little too much with the concealer. All I do is I take my brow powder and fix it up. So going in with my brow powder, I try to make my brows as even as possible. So then I look at my brows to see if they're even. It looks like this one is more arched than this one. So I just go in right here. And once they look even enough to me, that's about it. I just take my brush, it's a kind of buffing brush, and I just blend out all the edges of this brow. Just kind of go up in between, kind of over the front a bit, just to soften them up. Just blend the edges. So these are basically the brows all completed. You can see the huge difference brows make. I mean, it's highly important. So that's it for the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed learning how I do my brows and my tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.